PV and RT. Those are the variables that we've got to work with. Do we have the pressure? Yeah.
Yes.
1.04 ATMs. This is practice problem number 1 on page 345. Do we have the temperature? Yes. 34 Celsius, which is 307. We'll figure out that. We've got the ideal gas constant. We've got our volume, 45.1 liters. Do we have the number of moles?
No.
Huh.
Huh.
What do we have? We've got the mass and we've got the gas. If you know the mass of, or I'm sorry, we're looking for the mass. Dear, this is terrible.
Oh my.
This is terrible.
We know the all.
We need to know the number of moles. We need to know the number of moles. Because we want the mass.
Are we going to have to do more?
What does R stand for again?
R is the ideal gas constant.
So when are we going to learn the new ones?
You're going to, after the FIP.
Okay,
After the FIP. Okay, so if we figure out N, so Peaceful Valley equals nRT, let's solve for N. Divide both sides by RT. Well, that was easy. So 1.04 ATM times 45.1 liters divided by our ideal gas constant. We're in ATM, so what ideal gas constant are we going to use? 0.0821 ATM liters over mole Kelvin times 307 Kelvin. Okay, how many moles do we have?
If it wasn't an ATM, what do you use? I forget.
62.4 if you're in torr, and there are other values for pascals.
You can just convert it if you want to.
Sure, you can do that. Okay. Okay, what do you get for number of moles? What do you have for number of moles? I get 1.8072423. Is that what you got?
No, it was 1.86.
1.86. Yeah.
Oh, I see what I did wrong. My mistake. I did it a second time too.
Did you not multiply the bottom together?
No, I mistyped that.
Oh, okay.
I put in 1.01. Okay, what do you have?
1.8609222764.
Okay. Is that the answer we wanted?
No.
Yes.
No. We wanted to know what the mass was.
The mass. You have to convert it.
So now we have to do a factor label. Yay!
Did we use in the fifth?
Is that?
Yeah.
Oh.
So you're going to take 1.860, etc., not rounding,
Oh, so we're not.
moles of CO2. And how do you convert to mass of CO2?
Mass. Molar mass.
Yeah, molar mass.
Molar mass.
Molar mass. So we know that in 1 mole of CO2 we have what? How many grams of CO2?
When we get this out.
44.01?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What do you have?
81.8992
I lost you after that. Okay, so how many sig figs can we have?
It was 9921.
Oh, 9921, sorry. Okay, 3 sig figs, so what does that go to?
82.0.
82.0.
Wait, what? 360?
104, 45.1. Well, you could make an argument for 2 sig figs based on the Celsius temperature. So, you could make an argument that way, but
Why is
Wait, would you always do least?
why is the answer in
Least.
the book different?
what do they have?
They put like
81.9.
Because they don't, because they round everything, because they screw up their sig figs. The book
They don't.
rounds in intermediate
oh,
steps.
Okay, I see what you mean.
We run into a lot in physics.
Oh, like if they're using the whole number, they
Yeah.
would just round.
They would have used 1.86. So,
I see.
okay. Questions, comments? You see how to do this?
We'll see.
You want to do one more?
Let's go for
Let's
it.
get, let's FIP.
Figure it out.
FIP it.
Get messy, make